Welcome to the tutorial number 12. In this video, we'll be looking at extruded cut and revolved boss base feature. After watching this video, you will be able to create different cuts in your 3D models and create a revolved boss base. So to start with, we have similar sketches models as a previous video, and in this also I have drawn two sketches here for the reference. Now we'll go with the extruded cut feature. So we select on it. First we need to select the sketch, so we'll select this sketch and then go to extruded cut. So now you can see the preview here. So now, as similar as the extruded boss base, this is perfect, like all completely similar to it. The difference is it makes a cut. So in this also there are few different options on how you want to cut through your 3D body. So first one is blind, the other one is through all, from other one is through all both, then up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, mid plane, up to body, different other things. So if I select through all now, so it will completely cut throughout this body. Then if I select up to surface, then I'll have to select a surface till which I want to cut. So if I select till here, it will cut here, as you can see. Now if I select the up to vertex, I need to select the vertex till which I want to cut it. So I'll just show you how it looks. If I see, so our cut will look like this if I select the up to vertex. Now we can also edit this feature. Now I'll select up to surface, select this. So now our cut looks like this. This is up to body is like if you have some another body here. So if you select this body, up to body, it cut till that body, like it starts from the body. It cut it through this will cut till that. So I'll just select here to up to next and press OK. So now in this also there is a direction 2 option here, like, but we don't want a direction in this side. So if I select it on, I can cut it this side also. As there is nobody here, we don't want it now. And this also there is selected contours option, like which contour I want to cut, like in the previous video and I had told in the extrude one. Now in this also I have this draft feature. So if the draft I want is still 10 degrees, it will get drafted like this, stick mark. So let's cut like this. Now this is feature scope, all bodies, selected bodies. Like if I want to cut through all bodies, I select all bodies and it will cut to the other bodies also. And if I go on this option, I need to select which bodies I want to cut it. I'll show you this in another sketch, right? So this is showing rebuild errors, right? So I'll just select all bodies. So now this is the cut here. So now we can also go by, I'll just show you what convert entities is. I select this, then I do convert entities. I'll go on the sketch, then I select this and I do convert entities. So now the sketch of that circle has been converted into a you can call it as a circle. And I finish this sketch, and if I want to extrude on this, click that sketch, go to the features, extruded boss base, Suppose I want to extrude it till 50 millimeters, I extrude it. Now to show the, sorry, not edit sketch, create sketch. Sketch, I'll draw another circle. Center, I'll draw. And if I go to the features and select extruded cut, then I select selected bodies, right? Auto, I'll turn off the auto select. Now if I select which I like, if I select this body, see, this is the thing, this has been considered as a complete body. In previous video I even told about merge result. Just exit this sketch. I told about merge result. I'll turn that off. Now it will be considered as a separate body. Now we can use this selected bodies one on this. Like if I select this, I press OK. So this reveal. See, selected and now you can see it has, the cut has been created only in this body. We selected this body and not on the other body. So this is how that feature works. I select this sketch, go to extruded cut again. Now I'll show you, tell you about this thin feature. If I select thin feature, I'll just I'll set it as a 5 millimeters if I want, and it will cut in the offset of that rectangle which I have drawn. So it will cut in this part. Now I'll just do like all I'll do, select, and then I press OK. So now you can see the cut has been created only in this portion here, not in the middle part. This is all about this cut feature. Now we'll talk about the revolve feature. So for that I'll just delete this cut extrudes and boss 2. I'll just keep the sketch. Show you with that sketch itself. See, now as you can see, this is the sketch. We'll go on revolved boss base and we select this. So in this we need to select the axis of revolution. So it's basically the axis about which we want to revolve our sketch to create an extrusion. So if I'll just select this axis here, and now you can see there has been a 3D body created, and these 3 sketches have been revolved accordingly. Then I select like tick mark. If I'll just select this. Now as you can see, the body has been created, revolved body. Now I can also edit this feature also if I want. And now we'll talk about selected contour. It's the same thing as the previous. Like if I want to revolve this and only these two, I select these two and press OK. Now I can also specify the degree till which I want it to revolve. Like if I want only 180 degrees, so it'll revolve like this. I can even change the direction of the revolution, like by this arrow also. I can choose the angle. By this I change the direction, the revolution by which I want. We can also discuss about the thin feature. Revolve. Select this. Revolve boss base. Axis of revolution. If I go to thin feature, I press OK. So there's a rebuild error. I'll have to reduce the thickness. Now I have changed the axis of revolution. I'll change it. See, the thin feature, the extrusion has been done like this of the slot. See, can even increase the thin length, like the distance, and now you can see how the revolved boss base, the output. So this is all about this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills throughout bite-sized content.